Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Xbox Live is up and you're signed in to the primary account. This rules out service outages. Next, restart the console and power cycle your modem and router. Unplug for 30 seconds, then restart. While those reboot, run the Xbox network test and write down NAT type and any error code shown, because those codes point directly to the fix you'll apply next. Once done, make sure your console shows a stable Xbox Live connection before proceeding. Now focus on the network. If the NAT is moderate or strict, enable UPnP on your router or forward Xbox ports 3074 UDP/TCP to your console's static IP. This opens connections for parties. Assign a static IP on the Xbox or reserve it in the router to prevent DHCP shifts that break port mappings. If you see two routers or a gateway plus router, eliminate double NAT by setting the modem to bridge mode or placing the Xbox in the finish by verifying account and privacy settings. Allow multiplayer and communication with others, and ensure child account restrictions aren't blocking parties. Sign out and back in, or clear the alternate MAC address from network settings and reboot to refresh networking. If the party app misbehaves, uninstall and reinstall it. If you still can't join parties, power cycle network gear again and call your ISP to check for carrier NAT or blocked ports. That's the key troubleshooting tip if home fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.